Okay, I'm standing here with Yuri. Yuri, you just come down from Brooklyn?
Yes, I do.
Okay, brother. What did you buy?
Oh, $2.99.
Oh, 29900?
Yeah.
Okay, where you find the cheapest deals in North America on heavy trucks, brother?
It's here. It's a wholesale.
Wholesale direct trucks?
Direct truck. Yeah, it's there. But come here.
Very good. What people want to know, brother, is how much money do you think you saved?
The Adam saved me at least like $5,000.
At least, right?
At least.
Okay, good, man. We just hope you had a good time here, a good experience. Everything went okay?
Yeah, everything's okay. I like this guy. Thanks, guy.
Very good, man. Thank you. Have a safe trip home, Yuri.
You too, man.
All right, buddy.